Hello everyone, this is Mark Chavez and welcome back to my channel. For today, ang pag-uusapan natin ay factoring perfect square trinomial. So if you want to know more about this lesson, please keep on watching. So how to know if the given is a perfect square trinomial? So first, if it is a square of a binomial. So meron po tayong mga binomial dito. So let's say we square the binomial a plus b, which is the result is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. If we square a binomial a minus b, we will have a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. If you will observe, the first and last terms are both perfect square and they are also both positive. Then, the middle term is twice the product of the square roots of the first and last terms. So, pagka nakita po natin na ang given sa atin ay ganito, ang format, we can say that it is a perfect square trinomial. So, next question, how to factor perfect square trinomial? Paano tayo magpa-factor ng perfect square trinomial? The first step is to determine the square root of the first and last term. So, let's say, A ang square root ng first term at B ang square root ng last term. After determining the square root of the first and last term, we will use the formula. So the first formula that we have is for a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So pagka ganyan po yung format natin, pwede nating i-factor out yung given na yon as quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a plus b, or pwede po natin na i-simplify it as quantity of a plus b squared. Kapag ka naman ang given sa atin ng a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, pwede natin yun i-factor as the quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a minus b, or the quantity of a minus b squared. So gamitin po natin itong steps na ito dun sa mga examples na ipoprovide na. Let's proceed with example number 1. Factor a squared plus 12a plus 36. So ang first step natin is to get the square roots. So unahin natin kunin ang square root ng first term, which is a squared. So pag kinuha natin ang square root ng a squared, it is just a. And kapag kinuha natin yung square root ng last term natin, which is 36, we will have 6. So tandaan po natin, ang square root ng first term ay a at ang square root ng last term ay 6. So gamitin natin yung formula given to us earlier. So the formula is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a plus b, or the quantity of a plus b squared. So i-substitute lang po natin yung mga nakuha nating values para mag-arrive tayo sa factors na to. So ang given sa atin ay a squared plus 12a plus 36. Ngayon, sabi natin kanina, we denote the square root of the first term as small a, and we denote the square root of the last term as small b. So gagawin po natin, i-substitute po natin yung nakuha natin sa first step. So we will have is equal to quantity of a plus 6 times the quantity of a plus 6, or pwede rin po na quantity of a plus 6 squared. Proceed tayo sa second step. Factor 9x squared plus 60x plus 100. So again, the first step was to get the square roots. So unahin natin yung first term. The square root of 9x squared is basically 3x. And kapag kinuha natin yung square root ng last term, which is 100, we will have 10. So again, gamitin natin yung formula natin, which is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared is equal to the quantity of a plus b squared. So nahanap na natin ng small a, nahanap na natin ng small b. So gagawin natin is to substitute the values. So we will have this equation, 9x squared plus 60x plus 100 is equal to the quantity of 3x plus 10 times the quantity of 3x plus 10. Pwede rin po natin gawin na quantity of 3x plus 10 squared. So either of the two, pwede po yan maging answer depende dun sa choices na given sa atin. So example number 3, we factor y raised to the 4th power plus 10 y raised to the 2nd power plus 25. So ang first step natin, parehas lang, nakukunin natin ang square roots ng first and last terms. So ang first term natin ay y raised to the 4th power. Kaya pag kinuha natin ng square root nun, we will have y squared. Pag kinuha natin ang square root ng last term natin, which is 25, ay magkakaroon tayo na square root of 25 is equal to 5. And using the formula, we will have this answer. Y raised to the 4th power plus 10y squared plus 25 is equal to the quantity of y squared plus 5 times the quantity of y squared plus 5. Or pwede rin po na the quantity of y squared plus 5 squared. So yan po ang pwedeng maging answers natin. For example, number 2. Proceed tayo sa example number 4, which is factor m squared minus 14m plus 49. So ganun pa din, get the square roots. So first term natin is m squared. So pag ginawa natin ng square root ng m squared, it is just m. At kapag ginawa natin ng square root ng last term natin, which is 49, we will get 7. So again, gamitin natin yung formula na binigay sa atin yung unahan, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to the quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a minus b or the quantity of a minus b squared. So substitute natin yung mga values. We will have m squared minus 14m plus 49. Yan po yung given sa atin. Is equal to the quantity of m minus 7 times the quantity of m minus 7. Again, yung m nakuha natin as square root of the first term at yung 7 yung square root of the last term. So pwede rin natin isulat yung answer natin as the quantity of m minus 7 squared. Last example, factor 64z squared minus 16z plus 1. So again, get the square root. Pag kinuha natin ng square root ng first term, we will get 8z. Kapag kinuha natin ng square root ng last term, which is 1, we will get 1. So again, gamitin natin yung formula natin na binigay sa atin sa unahan and substitute the values. So ang given sa atin ay 64z squared minus 16z plus 1. At yung nakuha natin na square roots kanina ay 8z at 1. So gamitin po natin yon in order for us to arrive at the answer. So ang answer natin will be quantity of 8z minus 1 times the quantity of 8z minus 1, or pwede rin po na square of the quantity of 8z minus 1. Either of the two ay tama po yan. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, don't forget to share this video to your friends, family na gustong matuto ng video na ito. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next video.